The Elecrow ThinkNode M1 packaging follows a pragmatic, no-frills approach consistent with engineering-focused hardware. Inside, the device is accompanied by a USB Type-C cable and a concise user manual. There are no redundant accessories or marketing extras. Everything included serves a functional purpose. The pre-installed Meshtastic firmware is a critical advantage here. There is no need for flashing or initial firmware configuration, which significantly lowers the barrier to entry, especially for users who prefer immediate deployment over tinkering. The ThinkNode M1 adopts a compact, enclosed chassis that prioritizes durability and portability. The external antenna is a key component, ensuring stable RF performance and efficient signal propagation across varying terrains. The e-ink display is a deliberate and technically sound choice. It offers near-zero power draw when static and remains perfectly legible under direct sunlight. This is essential for outdoor and tactical scenarios where visibility cannot be compromised. Thermally and electrically, the device operates efficiently. The hardware demonstrates strong power optimization, critical for extended field deployments. The ThinkNode M1 delivers excellent efficiency, easily reaching over 48 hours of use thanks to its low-power design and e-ink display. In lighter usage scenarios, battery life can extend even further, making it reliable for multi-day outdoor use. Charging via USB Type-C is straightforward, and the app provides clear battery details, including percentage and voltage, which helps in planning usage in the field. Initial setup is streamlined through Bluetooth Low Energy 5.0 connectivity. Pairing with the Meshtastic mobile application is fast and stable, and the interface exposes granular control over parameters such as channel configuration, encryption keys, transmission power, and node roles. The responsiveness of the system is noteworthy. Messages move between devices with consistent and predictable delays, while the live signal strength, connection quality, and battery level help you understand how well the network is working and how to improve it. The Elecrow ThinkNode M1 is not a consumer-grade gadget. It is a purpose-built communication tool. Its strengths lie in reliability, energy efficiency, and independence from traditional communication infrastructure. It is particularly well suited for scenarios such as expedition coordination, emergency response, rural connectivity, and experimental IoT mesh deployments. For users seeking plug-and-play entry into the Meshtastic ecosystem with professional-grade hardware, the ThinkNode M1 represents a robust and technically coherent solution.